Welcome. Today our lesson number 15, statistics. We will today learn about average. Average means taking the sum of all together with divided by the number of, if it is days then days, or total scores. For example, day it is given. The following table shows how many minutes Ashmita took to cycle to school every morning from Monday to Saturday. Days are given: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Minutes: Monday 20 minutes, Tuesday 20 minutes, Wednesday 22 minutes, Thursday 18 minutes, Friday 18 minutes, Saturday 20 minutes. So for finding the average in mathematics, to make such an instrument, we find the average. If we add together the number of minutes required on each day and divide the sum by 6. So how many days are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 days. The number we get is approximately the time required every day. It is the average of all 6 numbers. Okay, so average, what we will do? We will do the sum of all these days, minutes. How many minutes is cycle the bicycle? Okay, so and how many total numbers of days we will divide. For example, sum of the numbers, average is equal to sum of the number of minutes taken to cycle to school on each of 6 days divided by total days. So here we have added all 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18 plus 20 divided by total days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6. So after doing the sum, we got 118 by 6. That is 92 by 3 minutes. Okay. So on an average, Ashmita takes 2 by 3 minutes to cycle to school every day. So in this way, we can solve, means we can find out the average of the given data. So here formula is given: average sum of all squares in the given data divided by the total number of schools. Now let us solve the practice set 54. So here it is given practice set 54, question number 1. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. So for finding the average, what we will do? First we will add all the given rainfalls in millimeters. So we will do the addition of all these. So average is equal to sum of the numbers of rainfall, okay, divided by total number of days. That is equal to 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12, and total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 days. So after you are doing the sum, you got 86 by 7. Then when you are dividing, you will get 12.285, which we can round up and write 12.29. 12.285 can be written as 12.29 because after the decimal we are writing mostly 2 digits. So 585, which is rounded to 8, will become 9. So 12.29. Therefore, average rainfall during the week is equal to 12.29 millimeter. 12.29 millimeter. So here we have solved question number 1. We will solve question number 2. During the annual function of a school, a women's self-help group had set up a snack stall their sales every hour were worth rupees 960, rupees 830, rupees 945, rupees 800, rupees 847, rupees 970 respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? So what we will do now? First we will do the sum of all the sales given. Okay, so we can write average is equal to sum of the sales, sum of all the sales by how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total hours. So we can write now. See, we will do the sum 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 847 plus 970. 960 plus 830 plus 945 plus 800 plus 847 plus 970. Total it is hours are 6 hours. So when we are doing the sum, we will get 5352 by 6. Okay. So that is equal to, we will get 892. So we can write now the average of the hourly sales is equal to rupees 892. Okay, is equal to rupees 892. Okay, now we will see the next question. The annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for those 5 years? So number of years it is given 5 years, and rainfall it is given 900 millimeter, 600 millimeter, 450 millimeter, 733 millimeter, 400 millimeter. So average we will do. So average is equal to sum of the rainfall of 5 years whole divided by total years, that is 900 plus 650 plus 450 plus 733 plus 400 divided by total number of years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after addition we will get 3133 by 5. So after dividing we will get 626.6. Okay, therefore we can write the average rainfall is equal to 626.6 millimeter. Okay, 626.6 millimeter. So we will solve the next question now. Question number 4, it is given a farmer bought some sacks of animal feed. The weights of the sacks are given below in kilograms. What is the average weight of the sacks? So the weights are given 49.8, 49.7, 49.5, 49.3, 50, 48.9, 49.2 and 48.8. So we will do the sum of all the weights of the snacks. So average is equal to sum of all the weights of snacks whole divided by that is total number of weights. Total number of weights. So what are given? We will add 49.8 plus 49.7 plus 49.5 plus 49.3 plus 50 plus 48.9 plus 49.2 plus 48.8 whole divided by, we will write equal to sign here, is equal to here, okay, divided by total number of weights. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so it is 8. So after doing the sum, we will get 395.2. 395.2 divided by 8. So we will, after dividing, we will get 49.4. Okay. So therefore we can write average weight of the snacks of the sack, is equal to 49.4 kg. Okay. So here we have finished practice set 54. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.